Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm going to be trying out products from this brand that I had never heard of before. It's called INC.redible and this is the Crystal Ball Roller Gloss Duo. And I just got this in my April 2021 Boxycharm Premium box. So I'll have my unboxing video of that linked in the description down below if you haven't seen it yet. But this is such a cool concept. So it's basically roller ball lip glosses with real crystal in them. It says it's 2 crystal ball lip glosses infused with real crystals to stimulate lip circulation and wake up the chakras. Notice the real crystal rollerball applicator designed to cool and soothe the lips as you roll. Find love with rose quartz for good energy and healing properties. Heal yourself with Amethyst. This crystal uses healing powers and chakra balancing to keep you cool and calm and collected. And I was looking this up online and it turns out you can actually buy these at Sephora in the individual versions. But this duo has a retail value of $24. Through my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series, I have tried out probably hundreds of lip glosses. So I think it is so exciting when I find a unique, different type of product, and I have never seen a lip gloss infused with crystals. I think that is so cool. And it actually feels like nice packaging. I think it's glass, yeah. And it feels like basically roller ball perfume packaging. So first I have the Heal Yourself one. This must be the Amethyst. I know that they're both clear, but I'm just kind of curious to just roll it on. I don't smell anything. Oh, but that's cool. You can see the actual roller ball at the top there is a crystal. So neat. And then we've got the rose quartz. I kind of would have liked there to be a scent to these just because I love a scent and I feel like it would add to the experience. But they do look very glossy. You can kind of see the swatches there. I'm going to go ahead and apply the rose quartz to my lips just because this is the one I have open. I have it in my hand here. And my lips could definitely use some moisture, some shine. So let's see what this does. I do really like the roller ball application process. I feel like it's so quick and easy and it disperses a good amount of product. I would say the texture is kind of in between a lip oil and a lip gloss, like a very thin lip gloss, but it really does build up to beautiful shine. It's just like it claims. For the fun of it, I'm going to go ahead and add another layer. Yeah, that is really pretty shine. And what I'm also loving is that it's immediately moisturizing. So all of the chapped areas on my lips are gone. It looks completely hydrated. My lips are looking smoothed out. There's less lines in them. And it just feels really comfortable and nice on my lips. And you get that lovely crystal moment, which I'm not big into crystals, but I feel like this is a really good way for me to kind of ease into it, learn about it, and just kind of have that moment to focus on what you want that crystal to bring into your life when you're applying the lip gloss. So if you are into crystals or have any tips or any information on how you incorporate crystals into your life, I would love to hear about that in the comments down below. If you have any tips on how I can reap the benefits of the crystals in these glosses, let me know because I would love to learn more about that. And I just love the lip gloss aspect of this, how pretty it is, how quick and easy it is to apply. And even though it's a pretty simple product, I do feel like the crystals add so much to it like value wise, but also just it makes it so different than any other lip gloss that I feel like you can get away with. I think these are like $12 each, or actually on Sephora I saw that they were on sale right now for $8 if you want to hop on and snag those while they're on sale. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.